Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing great and welcome back to another draw with me. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you like your stay. I got here another ScrawlrBox and that's what we'll be using in today's video. So first of all, thank you ScrawlrBox for this. These supply boxes are always so much fun to unbox and use. This is box number 105 and this time it's all about POSCA pens. So that's going to be interesting. I do own a few of these pens, but I'm not really a pro at it. But let's go over the contents very quickly. As always, you'll find an art print and sticker with an illustration by this month's featured artist. This month's artist is Korp, and I'll leave a link in the description for their socials. You also get a snack, a zine with information about the supplies, the featured artist, as well as a few tips and ideas on how to use the supplies in the box. As for the supplies themselves, the amount of it always depends on their value, but it always comes with paper so you can sample them. So for example, this time we got 10 sheets of smooth white A5 card paper, and for the rest of the supplies we have a Windsor & Newton cool grey ProMarker. And then we also have 5 POSCA pens in different colors: navy blue, red wine, ivory, a dark brown and black. I'll leave a link for ScrawlrBox in the description as well, so you can check it out in more detail if you want. And now that everything has been introduced, it's time to try everything out. So first I'll swatch everything and then probably make a few more sketches, or at least one, so to decide on what to draw. Every month ScrawlrBox also gives us a prompt. This time the prompt is off the wall, and the idea is to create a character of ourselves or something involving character design. So maybe we'll use that, we'll see. Now, if you haven't yet, now's a good time to grab your drink and a snack and come draw along with me. Okay, before adding more details, I'll leave this to dry a bit and take the opportunity to take a break. We tend to get too focused while drawing, so it's good to stop for a while, get up, stretch, eat, and drink something. I usually also like to take this opportunity to do other tasks I have to do at home, for example, taking care of my plants or cleaning something, whatever it is. I like to mix things up, drawing, take a break with something else, going back to drawing. So yeah, see what you need to do or just take this time to rest a bit. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I'm always so grateful for your support. And then, whenever you're ready, we can come back to it. Hello again! I'm almost finished with this piece and that was quite fun. It was nothing like I was expecting to be. I had really no idea what to do this month with these supplies, but then I imagined something with some patterns, just a simple scene but still using a bit of the prompt, as you can see with this very refined self-portrait of mine. Um, like, I don't dabble with traditional art much nowadays, and I've never been too good at it, or I never practiced much of it, to be honest. So these supply boxes are honestly a great way to experiment, leave my comfort zone and try something new. All I wanted was to create something and just have fun. And that's been accomplished. This was really fun to do. Of course I messed up some things, like this cat is not the best, but it was fun and I do like the results. Okay, enough about that. Thank you so much ScrawlrBox once again for sending this box. It's always such a fun experience. And thank you my lovely viewers for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed this drawing session, and let me leave you with a question. What's your favorite art medium? Whether it's traditional or digital, let me know in the comments along with your favorite art supplies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Keep on drawing, and I'll see you next time.